Giasas file. Kalos sirtate. Giasas is hello, file is friends, and kalos sirtate is welcome to No Kidding. And all this was in Greek. Yes, the language for the day is Greek. Before we proceed, as I had promised you, I'm going to telecast the name of all those children, all those no kidders who guessed the extra naughty, nerdy and correct. Well, there were quite a few entries, but since we have a constraint of time, we'll only be taking the top 15 of them who sent the entries within 5 hours of the telecast. And it's in the order of the entries that I have received. So the top 15 entries are... Well, before that, I need to tell you that N stands for news. And the right guessers are Sachendra Joshi from Prometheus School, Noida, Ashley Simon from Divine International School, Ahmedabad, Shreya Bhope from Vasant Vihar High School, Thane, Prachiti Dikshit, Gajendra Global School, Surat, Swapnesh Sarda from Chettinad Harishri Vidyalayam, Chennai, Aindri Roy Chaudhary from DAV, Kolkata, Myra Tamankar from Shivaji Military School, Pune, Chaitrali Hire from Wisdom High, Nasik, Kabir Bhatt from Vasant Vihar Public School, Mumbai, Shaili Shankar from DPS Bengaluru, Nachiketa Kompella from Johnson Grammar School, Hyderabad, Sai Reddy, DPS New Delhi, Aksa Syed, Fravashi Academy, Nasik, Divya Vavikar and Siddhika Kutte, both from Olive English School, Dhule. Excellent. Congratulations to all of you. If you also want to be telecast here, keep watching. No Kidding. I'd like to make a special mention of a particular child from Aurangabad in Maharashtra. He is Master Rishabh Dubey, who studies in class 8. He's 13 and a half years old. He guessed the extra naughty, nerdy N as novel. Now, novel is really novel thought. Novel means something different, something unique, something that has never been done earlier. So I like the thought, Rishabh. Keep it up. Also, there are a few no-kidders who have asked me a couple of questions. The first one is from Aditi Pagare from Pune. She writes to me, "Hello auntie, I liked all the segments but loved the Geronimo part the best." Oh yes, that's my favorite as well. Geronimo! Also, the fun fact video was really fun. Thank you, Aditi. That black cat in your video was so cute. What's her name? Well, the black cat says thank you to you, and it's not a her, it's a he. His name is Pluto. Pluto says hello to Aditi. And the next letter is from Sahitya Sehgal from Noida. Sahitya says, hello Yamini ma'am. Sahitya, I'm no ma'am. I'm Yamini or Yamini auntie. Better still, just Yamini. I am in 7th standard. In the introduction video, you said we can ask you what we want. So can you suggest me a funny Hindi poem for my inter-school Hindi recitation competition on 25th October? Did I say you can ask anything? Maybe I did. So my elder brother is asking me to search from the internet, but I want a poem that is different and never heard. Well, having committed to you that you can ask me anything and I'll answer you, just give me a week and your funny Hindi poem that you have never heard on the internet or seen anywhere is coming right up exclusively for you, Sahitya Sehgal. If you guys also want to hear anything from me, please write into me what you want to see in our next segment, and I'll try my best to fulfill it for you. Till then, avio. That's bye-bye in Greek.